area is in production management. In production management. To find out the number of and size of item to be produced. Find out number of and size of items to be produced. So again I will take the example of umbrella. So what type of umbrella we are supposed to produce? Whether we are supposed to concentrate on more number of umbrellas where the ladies use lady used umbrellas, or gents use umbrellas like this type of shape, right? This type of umbrella or foldable umbrella, button start umbrellas. There are different variety of umbrellas are available. Fine. So what type of umbrella we are supposed to produce more, and what is the number and what is the size? Fine. Small umbrellas, large umbrellas. Fine. Ladies used umbrellas, color umbrellas. Fine. Printed umbrellas, plain umbrellas. Different types of umbrellas are available. So what type of umbrellas are to be produced, and how much number, and what is the size? Well, looking into the demand or looking into the previous seasonal sales, we increase or decrease our production. What happens in the last year? We have not sold this type of umbrella. This type of umbrella has sold only 10% of the total production. So for this year, we don't going to produce this type of umbrella because we have already in the stock. So what we do here, we stop this production of umbrella, and compared to the last year numbers, button fold umbrellas are what sold very large in quantity. We have produced X amount, but the sales is X plus 2 amounts, means 2 times the sales happens. So what we do? So in terms of what we do here, we produce last year's double amount of umbrellas this year, a specific umbrella. Fine. So looking into the previous sales, we can increase or decrease our items or umbrellas, fine, in production. Next one is in calculating optimum sales, fine, in increasing or decreasing product manufacturing. So already we have discussed this point. The last point is to select, locate, design sites for production plants. Select site, location, design for production plan. This is also a very important area we need to think of in regards to production management, where we have to set up our business. I mean to say business plan. So business plan is very important, so that we have to select the right amount, right location, right site, right design for the production. Fine. So as we are planning to come up with a new automobile company, I want to put that automobile company in hill stations. What happens? What happens in hill stations? There is no proper transportation, and it is very difficult for us to transport the raw materials and also transport the finished product to the market. So it becomes very difficult. So why the Pune is the automobile hub for all the companies? Most of the automobile companies are situated in Pune because the transportation is very excellent and it is very near to the Mumbai, and also the road facilities and the facilities given by the government to set up their plants, and availability of raw materials, nearby raw materials is also very good. So that's why what happens here, most automobile companies trying to start their production in Pune because of the different things, that is site, location, design, availability of raw materials and skilled persons. Fine, these all things will matter. So these things will come under in production management. And the last but not the least here, seventh one is LIC. In LIC, Life India Corporation. So what should be the premium rates? What should be the premium rates? For various modes of policies. There will be different policies available in LIC, but every policy has its own premium rates. So why it is, how they are supposed to design, so why the premium should be like this. Fine, for the different policies. Fine, for the child policy, the premium rates are different. Fine, so depends upon the policies, the premium rates are different. How much profit should be distributed? How much profit for policies? So if it is 15-year plan, there will be profit is different. If it is 5 years plan, the profit is different. If it is 30 years plan, the profit is different. So depends upon different plans, the profits are different. So these are the some of the areas I have tried my level best to tell you the scope of OR, but these are the limited scope of OR. OR has, I mean to say, a huge amount of scope. I mean to say, infinite scope for operation research here. So as in Second World War, they have used operation research for only military resources. But later, the industrialist economists, they have taken this subject of OR and started to use in different fields. Now it has a very wide scope for operation research. So these are some limited. One by one I will repeat. In agriculture, in finance, in industry, in marketing, in personal management, in production management, and in LIC and XYZ, etc., etc., etc. Again, I will say the OR has very wide scope. These are some limited areas that I have tried to cover and give my best of knowledge in the scope of OR. Thank you very much.